Westermans here again with a positioner which has just arrived, Dumeta or Dumeta 3-axis welding positioner with a hydraulic lift, variable speed, pendant control. This positioner has been gathering dust for some time, needs a good clean off. It's a 5,000 kilo capacity. More details available on westermans.com. And you can see on top there's an actual fixture, can be supplied with the machine if required. This was last used for doing vessels. As you'll see from the fixture from the front, grabbing 4 corners of a vessel and a cage. That's a maximum tilt. And then obviously you also have your direction. There's a foot control with this also. Quick walk round of the machine. As I was saying, that's the fixture on the front there. Adjustable on each corner and adjustable for different diameters. Fixing points on each corner. Machine is 400 volts, 3-phase, phase dependent. Hydraulic system under there. Foot control, control panel. More positioners like this from westermans.com. They can be viewed. 3-axis and 2-axis positioners, hydraulic and either with DC or AC motors, selection of new and used. This machine will either get sold as seen or serviced to order. Like I say, the fixture will be removed but can be supplied as an option if required. Thank you for looking.